If you wish to disable biometric login on your Capital One account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account security preferences are updated. Step 1. Open the Capital One app. Launch the Capital One mobile application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located in the upper corner of the app. Step 3. Find biometric login option. Look for the security settings or biometric login option within the settings menu. This may be labeled as biometric authentication or fingerprint/face ID. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Once you locate the biometric login option, toggle this setting to disable it. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the biometric login, ensure that you receive a confirmation message or notification indicating that the changes have been successfully made. By following these steps, you can easily disable biometric login on your Capital One account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support.